Hey you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As So by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today we're back with another lock tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we will be reviewing some new product, but also removing my son's lock extensions. Yes, it's about that time. But you guys know how I like to do it. Let's jump right into it. We're going to start off by washing my son's hair with Fortify'd Naturals Sage Infused Black Soap Shampoo. This gentle, sulfate-free, hydrating shampoo claims it has the ability to help decrease hair loss and shedding as it washes away dirt and builds up on your hair and scalp without stripping your hair of its natural oil. Those are some pretty strong claims, so let's find out. You want to start off by separating the hair into sections, and you want to wet it. I have here my rose water concoction. If you haven't watched my last tutorial where I show you how to make this rose water, go right ahead and do so now. It's super easy to follow. You can find all your supplies in your kitchen, and you only need about 2 or 3 ingredients. But you want to wet the hair with this rose water, just really focusing the water mainly on the roots and the scalp. Once you have fully saturated the root, you want to begin applying the cleanser to the scalp and very gently begin massaging the product into the roots and scalp without using your nails. So you just want to avoid scratching the scalp. You want to gently massage it. And I forgot to mention that this is a plant-based hair care, so it's perfect for all hair types and all ages. So you do not have to have locks to use this product. You just need hair. But you want to continue working that product into the scalp, gently massaging it without using your fingernails, and work it up through your locks. And you want to keep on repeating these steps until you believe that the hair is clean. And because it's been a month since his last wash, we're going to repeat this step one more time just to make sure that his hair is extra clean. Once I'm done, I'm going to take him off camera and rinse his hair with some warm water, and I'll be right back. But this is how I wash my son's hair. So we're back, and I went ahead and rinsed off his hair. Now we're going to grab another product from the Fortify'd Natural line. This is their hydrating leave-in conditioner. This lightweight detangling lotion claims to release tangles and condition your scalp with a balance of tea tree essential oils. So I went ahead and applied a generous amount to my son's freshly washed hair and began to condition his scalp. Now I did recommend you comb it through, but for obvious reasons I will not be combing it through, but I will work it through with my hands. Once I am finished with that, I am going to sit him under the dryer for 15 to 20 minutes. I did do that off camera, but now I'm going to begin removing those extensions. If you guys remember, he has 10 extensions, 5 on one side and 5 on the other. And I believe it is time to remove these bad boys. As you can see where the extensions start and his natural lock end, and you can see the size difference, and I don't like that. So we're going to get rid of them. So I'm just going to cut right underneath where the extension and natural hair meets. You'll be able to feel it. It feels like a knot, so you just want to cut underneath that knot. And please excuse if you hear my children in the background because they are screaming. But you want to take your rat tail comb and begin combing out the extensions. Simple, right? Right. So you want to keep on combing out the hair until you have removed all the extensions. And for those who are new to my channel, I know you guys are probably wondering why I installed extensions to his locks in the first place. I do have a video located on my YouTube channel with the full background story so you guys can understand the why. It's definitely worth watching, but I'm going to continue combing out that extension hair until I finally remove all the hair. Once I have removed all the extensions, I'm going to begin retwisting his hair, and I wanted to share with you a new retwisting method that I have learned. So of course I'm going to grab my favorite retwisting gel. It is the Loc N Gel, my old reliable. You guys know I use it in all my tutorials. I'm going to apply this to his locks and begin retwisting. So I'm going to clean up the parts as usual, but when I apply the product to his locks, I'm not going to comb it through like I usually do. I'm just going to rub it through with my fingers and then do a palm roll, and boom, that's it. The professionals claim by retwisting your locks this way. It avoids thinning roots. I don't know how true that is, but I'm going to try it. So I'm going to apply more product and rub it in using the back of the comb, and I'm just going to again clean up the parts using the tail part of my rat tail comb, and I'm going to continue retwisting, but again avoiding combing the product into the lock. So again, I'm going to use the comb to clean up the parts, but I am only going to use the comb for that. I am not going to work the product through. And of course, I'm going to continue those steps until I have retwisted his whole head. And off topic, but if you guys haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I am close to my 50,000 subscriber goal, and so I will really appreciate if you guys continue to share my videos and like and leave a comment. It really does help out my channel, and I would just really appreciate it. So help me help you, okay? Help me help you, all right? Yeah, I know we gotta stick together, but yes, I'm going to continue retwisting his hair using this new method. So far, I'm loving it. I do believe that his roots look healthier, even though it only been a day, but it does look better than what they usually will look if I would have combed the product through his locks. I will be retwisting this way from now on, but I have finished this retwist, and now I'm going to add a little bit of oil to his hair. So I'm going to use this Fortify'd Super Growth oil enriched with omega fatty acid, vitamin A, D, and E. This oil helps stimulate hair follicles and promotes a healthy scalp. This can be applied to wet or dry hair, but the best is wet hair. But here we are the next day. It is a school morning, and yes, we got my boy together. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. I had a wonderful time reviewing Fortify'd Naturals' new products. They are amazing, and I look forward to using them in future videos. But this is pretty much it for me. If you guys did enjoy this tutorial, remember to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe, you guys, because I'm trying to hit 100K. Like, help me. But that's pretty much it for us. Until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.